Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will provide a video about Is CoinSnap Legit? A review of CoinSnap for Coin Identifier. So, for those of you who are looking for a way, then watch my video until the end. So that you can do it, it depends on the device you use. But before you start, don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell, so you don't miss any of my useful videos. In the world of coin collecting, identifying rare or valuable coins can be challenging, especially for beginners. CoinSnap, a popular coin identification app, claims to simplify this process with advanced technology. But is CoinSnap legit? This review delves into the app's features, usability, and overall reliability. What is CoinSnap? CoinSnap is a mobile app designed to help users identify coins quickly and accurately. By using image recognition technology, the app analyzes uploaded photos of coins and provides detailed information, such as name and origin. The app identifies the coin's country and historical background. Value estimation. Users receive an approximate market value for the coin. Grade and condition. CoinSnap offers insights into the coin's grade, helping collectors understand its condition. History and details. It provides additional context about the coin's significance. The app caters to both seasoned numismatists and casual collectors. Is CoinSnap legit? CoinSnap is a legitimate app that many users find helpful for identifying coins. However, its effectiveness depends on several factors. Accuracy. The app uses AI to identify coins, which works well for common and well-documented coins. However, it may struggle with obscure or heavily worn coins. Subscription costs. While the app offers a free version, premium features like unlimited identifications and in-depth data require a subscription, which some users find costly. User reviews. Feedback is generally positive, with users appreciating its intuitive design and database. However, some express concerns about occasional misidentifications or limited accuracy with rare coins. Why choose CoinSnap? CoinSnap is ideal for collectors seeking a convenient way to identify and learn about their coins. Its vast database and user-friendly interface make it a valuable tool. Information. CoinSnap Provider, Next Vision Limited. Compatibility: iPhone and Android. Requires iOS 15.0 or later. iPad, requires iPadOS 15.0 or later. iPod Touch, requires iOS 15.0 or later. Mac, requires macOS 12.0 or later and a Mac with Apple M1 chip or later. Apple Vision, requires visionOS 1.0 or later. Size, 188.3 megabytes. CoinSnap is a legitimate and helpful app for coin identification, especially for those new to the hobby. While its subscription model might not suit everyone, the app offers unique features that can save collectors time and effort. If you're a coin enthusiast, CoinSnap could be a worthwhile addition to your toolkit. Thank you to those of you who have watched this video, and I really hope for feedback to increase creativity in creating content that is positive and useful for many people.